Hey Hopewell, I'm Ethan.
And I'm Evan.
Ev, I gotta ask, how's your bracket doing?
I am doing great. I am 2-0 right now.
Wait, but one game hasn't even finished yet.
Just tell me when I win the money, all right?
Okay. Happy Free Readers Day, everybody. Did you get any free readers yet?
I did not. Did you?
Heck yeah, I did.
Okay. That was a sweet high five.
You know who else likes sweet high fives?
My mom?
Oh, no, actually. Kate Novak, she's in our class. She went around to the school giving high fives to whoever wanted one.
How'd that go?
Let's find out.
I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to get it. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
Can I have a high five? Hi. Sure. Gwen?
Some of those high fives look like they hurt.
Dude, that high five hurt my hand. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to play video games tonight now.
Do you play video games?
Every now and then.
Okay, what's your favorite video game then?
NBA 2K.
Okay.
What's yours?
I have to say Assassin's Creed.
Nice. Justin Lee asked a few students and teachers about their favorite video games.
Let's check that out.
What video game world would you want to live in?
Madden, so I could play football.
I would probably choose Super Mario Brothers because it would be really convenient to just jump down in the sewer and go anywhere you want to go.
Ubisoft's Assassin's Creed.
I like to live in Mario Kart.
Which games are your favorites?
Super Smash Brothers.
Contra, Super Mario Brothers.
I loved Pac-Man and Joust and Space Invaders.
I think that BioShock did everything right.
Battlefield, Call of Duty, those kind of things.
In your opinion, what's the worst video game?
Sonic 06.
Any Sonic game. Too many colors.
Force Unleashed 2.
Call of Duty Ghosts.
I didn't really know teachers played video games.
I didn't know they knew what video games were.
Anyway, back to business.
We have one last video for you today from the ceramics class.
They recently finished up a project they've been working on.
Here's Mrs. Arbitel to tell us more.
The frame project had several objectives, first of which was to have a theme, and that would be depicted on the front of the frame, and also the construction of the frame had to be nice and rectangular. And in the inside part, we made what is called a beveled edge, which a lot of frames do have. And of course, have fun with it and enjoy it, and actually have it be a functional picture frame so that they could tape a picture back there. So I have to say, and I've told the kids this is the best crop of frames ever. So I'm very proud of my Ceramics 1 students.
That's it for today, Hopewell.
Have a good weekend. And remember, make good choices.